आपके घर या बिल्डिंग का ओवरहेड टैंक लीक हो रहा है? अंडरग्राउंड टैंक का पानी कम हो जाता है? बाहर से बारिश और सीवरेज का पानी टैंक में आ रहा है? No problem, because concrete supercoat is here to help. Concrete supercoat. For new and old water tanks, swimming pools and basements, this product best works when coated on concrete on newly constructed houses. It is two-component, unique, two-coat application and is non-toxic, and it bonds strongly with concrete because it penetrates and immerses with the concrete. It has 5 years of warranty and can be applied before and after plaster. For more information call now, RoofsLeakage.com.